Hi guys, long time no see. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a quick unboxing. Guys, I was at Epcot. Quick story. Was at Epcot carrying all this stuff, putting it in the car, dropped my phone, screen cracked. Wanted to wait for the new iPhone in September or autumn time, but that didn't happen. I got the new green one, and I thought you guys might want to see it. So after an hour of trying to set up everything, took forever. Let's do an unboxing. I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max with the 6.7-inch display. So let's do it. How about we take all this stuff, because I did a pickup. You do a pickup when your phone screen shatters. How pretty is that though? I haven't seen it actually in person in the color. Okay, let's undo this. And oh, it's like a pretty forest green. It looks like it does, you know, on the website. And I got the 256 gigabytes, and in it is the USB-C lightning cable and the iPhone. I was not able to get the green case because it was sold out, so that kind of sucked, but that's okay. Obviously I need a case, and I got Apple Care because, well, what just happened? Doesn't Apple just box stuff so beautifully that you just, can you guys hear that? Oh, so pretty. Oh. Oh, and the sides. That's really pretty. I like it. It's not overly masculine. I thought it was going to be overly masculine, just to be honest, but it's not. Like, forest green is masculine. No. It's just, you know, I like the light blue one too, but this is pretty. It's heavy though. I will say this is heavy, but the screen isn't cracked, which is great. So if you guys can see it, it's a really pretty green. It's a forest green. So it's a very, my daughter's ready to get up. It's a very not, hey, look at me color. So yeah, you're doing so good. Hold on one second for me, okay, sweetie? You're being so patient. I'm almost done, okay? Yes, it's appreciated. Thank you. So guys, I just wanted to do a quick unboxing with you, show you how beautiful this phone was, and it's heavy. It's heavy. I feel the heaviness and the weight of it. Okay guys, my audio just went out and I didn't realize it. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you next time, hopefully sooner than later, and have an amazing day. Okay, bye guys. Quick unboxing. This is beautiful though. Heavy. I feel it. Like, I feel the heaviness and the weight of it. So yeah, but a beautiful color. The green is, it's lovely. It's elegant to me, you know? Yeah. Okay.